Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video session, we are going to understand how to import remote database in SQL Server. To import remote SQL database into our local SQL Server or into another remote SQL Server. You can find this complete video chapter note inside my blog. I will give this blog link and chapter link in the video description below. Please check it out. Before starting the session guys, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and click on bell icon for future notification. If you ended up liking my video, please give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. This is a complete practical session. We are not going to write any single script or single code in SQL Server. Everything is done by mouse click only. So let's go to SQL Server and see how we can import different remote database into our local database. So open SQL Server. You can see there are two database instances in my machine. One is this one and one is this one. So here in this one. So here I want to create one database and I will import this particular class DB from this SQL Server 1 database. So let's see. So first I am going to create a database here in my destination server. Let's say give the database name, click on OK. So you can see this database has been created, no tables are there. So next click on the selected database, go to task. Here you can see import data. Click on this. The export import wizard has come. So you can see, click on next. Here you need to give the data source, means which kind of data source, what is the data source host name or destination path, what is the user ID and password. Just like you can select other data sources like OLEDB, SQL Server, Access, everything. For now I am going to connect SQL to SQL, so I am leaving as it is SQL Server native client. I am going to connect this server. If you have IP addresses for server also you can give. It's a SQL Server authentication. Next click on refresh. So which database I want to import? I want to import class DB. Next click on next. After clicking on next, it will ask for your destination. Destination means this one. This is my local, that particular I am logged in. So this is the destination. I am giving the destination user ID password. If you are running on Windows authentication, you can leave as it is blank and click on Windows authentications. Which database is the destination database? Select the database. Click on next. Click on next. So you can see in my source, this is source and this is destination. In source there are two tables are there. I can select complete both all the table by selecting here, or I can select one by one. If there are other multiple table also, you can select one by one. So if I select, automatically destination has been created here. Click on next. Click on next. Again click on finish. So you can see here. So in this table there is no record, so 0 row transport. In this table there are 4 record, so 4 rows transport. Click on OK. Now upon our newly created database, select the table, click on refresh. So you can see two tables. These two tables are originally present in this database, in our source database. So here you learn how to do import from SQL Server. The same thing also we can do in export, but need to see when we select here task import database. Here you can see the source. You just while doing this import and export in SQL Server, guys, be careful on this select source, and after clicking select destinations. This destination and source should be perfect. Do recheck again and again before clicking the finish button. So today you understand how to import SQL database into another SQL database. Thank you guys. If you ended up liking my video, please give me a like and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much.